Hey guys, welcome back in my another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to design a web banner in Photoshop. I'm gonna make this banner with Photoshop and Illustrator combination, but it's gonna very easy than you probably imagine. I will give its editable download link in my video description. If you wanna get it for free, watch this full tutorial cause key will display on the corner one by one. Note or use them to open editable file. Okay, let's get started for the project. First of all, take a new project. It will 300 by 250 pixels, resolution 300 and color should be RGB. This is the project canvas. It's a small web banner. First of all, fill this canvas with blackish color. Go to color and type 1A, 1A, 1A. Then click on OK and now select Paint Bucket tool. Now just left click on canvas. Now type the unnecessary text. I'm gonna make it faster cause it's a simple trick. Okay, I have typed all the necessary text. Now it's time to customization. Select the text and change the text font. Okay, I have done it. Now place them properly. Now go to Illustrator and take a new project. Now select ellipse tool and draw an ellipse shape. Fill with any color. I'm just use yellow. Now go to Effect, Destroy and Transform, then Zigzag. Increase some size. Here select Relative and increase Radius per segment. Make it smooth. And click on OK. Okay, now just select it and press Ctrl C. Then go to Photoshop. And here press Ctrl V. Transform it and place it properly. Now draw a round rectangle shape. Okay, I think it's perfect. Once again, place them properly. Now again draw a round rectangle shape and increase the curveness of corner. Remove fill color and just use stock color. Use some drop shadow in burger text. Now select the shape layer, go to FX, Stroke, and select the stroke color FE8F09, same as the burger text color. Make stroke size 2 or 3 as your wish, then click on OK. Now we need some images. I will give those links in my video description. So here just use your restaurant name and place the burger image properly. Decrease some opacity of burger image because it will help you to place it properly. Okay, once again increase the opacity of burger image. Now select burger image layer, press Ctrl and left click on this illustrator shape. Then click on mask. Okay, I have done my project. I think I should increase some stroke. So go to again stroke and make it 3. Just click on OK. Our project is ready. If you want to get more videos on this topic, please comment in my video. I'll try to make another video on this topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.